Hi friends, I'm back this Tuesday with a short little video for you. If you remember, some time back I had put a video on an Igatpuri nursery. That was when we had as a family been for an outing to Igatpuri. And when we were there, we also had the pleasure of going to a resort called Manas Resort. And we really loved the plants growing there. We loved the way they had used nature to beautify the resort. So I thought it's worth showcasing that. So here's a video that shows you what we saw at Manas Resort. Before we get into our video, I would really love it if you would go and check out our new channel art. And if you haven't already done so, also do tell us if you liked it or not in the comment section below. So let's have a look at the beautiful plants and birds at Manas Resort. Sometimes it's really good for us to do this, to go out and appreciate nature, to see how other people have showcased plants, especially resorts, hotels. They have different ways of displaying plants. Sometimes we cannot even dream to put up such huge plants in our small spaces. So this is where I really go out and appreciate nature, appreciate the plants that I cannot really keep. Hope you like this video, and do share your comments and let us know what kind of videos you want to see, because that's what we will try to put up for you. So if you're new around here, do have a look at our other videos and do consider subscribing to our channel, and have a good week. Stay green.